Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Welcome back to the Now You Know podcast, the podcast where we dive into the complex world of marketing, but with a simpler approach. At least this is what I'm trying to do here. I'm your host, Flavio Souza, and here is my offer for you today.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
Today, let's explore a bit of the fascinating and unique landscape of marketing in Japan. From cultural nuance to distinctive strategies, Japan offers a rich tapestry of marketing practices unlike anywhere else in the world. So let's get started. First, let's discuss how marketing in Japan differs from other parts of the world. I get this question a lot. People ask, how is marketing in Japan? What is the difference between marketing in the US and in Japan or Latin America, Europe? So I'm trying to answer those questions now today with this episode. So in the West countries, before I started there, I think one of the most significant difference between marketing in Japan and another marketing in another place is the emphasis on group harmony. The collective comes first, and that is something that is typical in the Japanese society. And in the West countries, on the other hand, marketing often appeals to individuals and personal achievements. So it's much more concentrated on the personal level than in Japan is much more on the society level. So you can see marketing campaigns here in Japan focus on the collective well-being and social harmony because this is the root on their culture emphasis. And for example, they have even a concept called wa, which translates to peace, harmony, and balance. So marketeers in Japan aim to create messages that resonate with these values, fostering a sense of unity and community. If you are on a Western country, you may be able to picture that by that old butter ad where you have the whole family happily having a Sunday breakfast on a table together. That sense of unity is what in general you can find here if you are doing advertisement here. If you are on the mafia side, your sense of unity might be a little bit different.
Do as I say and you live.
But okay, that being said, keep in mind that there are actually lots of different type of ads, and campaigns in Japan. So it's not all of them will play with the wa point. So you may ask, okay, so if that's the case, what makes marketing in Japan truly unique though? One aspect is the deep respect for traditional.
When 900 years old you reach, look as good you will not.
Combined with passion for innovation. Japanese consumers really value heritage and history, and they are also very eager to become early adopters of cutting-edge technology, for example. So there is this balance between heritage, history, and the ones to consume the newest thing as possible. Also, there is a prime example on this, which is omotenashi spirit, which emphasizes exceptional customer service and hospitality. So this concept of omotenashi is integrated in Japanese culture and extends to marketing practice, where brands go above and beyond to exceed customer expectation. In other words, they basically, because of this history and this heritage, they put this on the service delivery as well. Not only on physical products or digital products, but also on service. So that's omotenashi spirit. For instance, convenience store in Japan known as konbini are not just places to buy snacks, but it's essentially a community hub offering a wide range of service. Brands like 7-Eleven, for example, or Lawson have mastered the art of combining traditional service with modern convenience. providing everything from bill payment service to fresh prepared meals. You can check your bank account. You can withdraw money on the 7-Eleven or any kind of convenience here in Japan. So it's not about only selling things, but making convenient and make it easy for the community. So let's talk about some peculiar marketing words or concepts which is basically unique to Japan. One notable term is Shindong-ya. Sounds like Chinese, but it's Japanese. Shindong-ya, okay? This refers to a traditional form of street advertisement where performers dress in colorful costumes and play music and hand out flyers to attract customers. It's a charming blend of entertainment and advertisement, and this is deeply rooted on Japanese culture. Another unique concept you might know about it is fukubukuro, or lucky bags that we have in the end of the year, actually in the beginning of the year. These are mystery bags sold during the new year, filled with random items at discount price. It's fun because it's an exciting way for customers to engage with brands, creating a sense of anticipation and delight, right? You never know exactly what is inside, but nowadays actually they are showing is inside. There is like a display of the products that you can find inside of the lucky bags, fukubukuro, and that is a little bit of the changing, I guess, going more into the Western side, because some customer might feel they didn't do a good, the lucky bag was not really luck, right? So, but in reality, you're getting the value of the products on these lucky bags are much more value than what you pay for the bag as a whole, right? So you are kind of winning there, but sometimes you get like products that you don't need it, right? So to avoid that, I guess they started to show one open bag so you can check it out before you buy. Now let's distinguish between marketing and sales in general, because there's another confusion here. For example, you can find marketing department inside of many other departments that you never thought that they are correlated. For example, you can find marketing in a strategic department, or you can find marketing at the PR department. But overall, what you find is actually marketing focus on building brand awareness and create a favorable image. Sales are more about closing deals and driving revenue, which is pretty similar to everywhere in the world, I guess. So marketing strategies are often long-term, aiming to build trust and strong brand's reputation over time. And sales, on the other hand, is basically a transactional and immediate one-time buying, right? So something similar you find here in Japan too, I guess the key differences here between in Japan against other countries is the approach on customer relationship. In Japan, the relationship building aspect of marketing is very crucial. Brands invest heavily in nurturing trust and loyalty before making a sale. You might find, these aggressive sales Western countries, and marketing is basically helping the sale. But here, the marketing invests basically on the branding, trust, and loyalty first, and then sales come later. So this can be seen in the concept of keiretsu, where business form close alliance, often involving cross-shareholding and long-term partnership. This network-centric approach ensures that the relationships are prioritized over individual transactions. Again, this is a society country where there are a lot of shareholdings, even your supplier. It's not on customer's side only, but the suppliers and everyone that part of this network needs to be prioritized and make those alliances and make this a long-term partnership. Well, to summarize, marketing in Japan is a unique blend of tradition and innovation, deeply influenced by cultural values such as harmony, exceptional service, and community. From the charming Shindoya street performers to the excitement of Fukubukuro, lucky bags, Japan offers a distinct marketing landscape. The emphasis on long-term relationships and the seamless integration of marketing sales efforts highlight the importance of trust and loyalty in Japanese business practice. Talking about sales effort,
what is the most popular thing in the world?
Music.
No.
Tell me.
Ice cream.
Okay.
Everyone has it. And what is the problem with ice cream?
I have no idea.
It drips.
Okay.
So my idea is what?
Need to make a drip-proof ice cream.
No. Oh, that's a fucking brilliant idea. Alright, whatever. You ain't going to come out with that, though.
No, I promise you I won't.
Well, my idea is to come out with just like these ice cream gloves that make the ice cream not go on your hands and make it all well sticky. And also keep your hands warm when you was eating the ice cream.
Okay.
Is you in or is you in?
Okay, well, it sounds like a good idea, and I hope you make a lot of money. Good luck, folks. It's been nice seeing you. You take care of yourself, okay?
Well, is you going to be in on that?
Well, it sounds like an interesting...
We've got that P. Diddy is going to be in it.
Good.
Anyway, jokes apart, thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of marketing in Japan. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a review, check the book and social media planners on this. I will write down on the description of this episode. And until next time, I'm Flavio, and this has been the Now You Know podcast.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do. Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.